the Duterte administration charting its next move against Senator Antonio Trillanes. The Office of the Solicitor General is set to take its case to the Court of Appeals to question the decision of Makati RTC Branch 148. Royces Nagit with the story.
Senator Antonio Trillanes received the resolution of the Makati RTC Branch 148 in his Senate office. The order junked the request of the Justice Department to issue an arrest warrant and to revive his dismissed coup d'etat charge.
Tatandaan natin itong araw na ito at nagwagi ang tama, nagwagi ang hustisya, nagwagi ang rule of law, nagwagi ang demokrasya.
But for the DOJ, this is not the end of the line, as the rebellion case of Trillanes remains pending at Makati RTC Branch 150.
This is just the beginning. This is not the end. Nobody has to claim total victory here. Okay? Umpisa pa lang ito.
Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo likewise downplayed the ruling.
It's more of a Pyrrhic victory because if you notice, the court decided that the proclamation issued by the president is valid. They were claiming at the time that the president does not have the power to void any amnesty. And the court said he has.
Panelo also questioned Makati RTC Branch 148 Judge Andres Soriano's decision. Panelo said the ruling was based merely on the testimonies of the two ad hoc committee officials, confirming they received the application form of Trillanes in 2011. Because of this, Panelo said the government will no longer file a motion for reconsideration, but will instead go straight to the Court of Appeals.
There are procedural matters decided by the court which to my mind are erroneous. How it accepted evidence despite the fact that they were all secondary evidence. So there are questions that can be properly raised in the Court of Appeals and subsequently to the Supreme Court.
Following the ruling, an opposition lawmaker meanwhile urged the Justice Department to let go of the case, saying pursuing it is just a waste of time and government resources. For News 5, Royces Nagit, we are One News.